Hey, Thomas! Thomas! What? Get over here! Come on! Get over here, Thomas!
Oh, I will.
Come on! Thomas! Come over here!
So what was that you're going to show us?
Oh, that's right. Follow me. Alright guys, watch this.
The constant love and attention keeps them mentally and physically healthy. At Lola, they get the next best thing. Every morning, substitute mothers arrive at the nursery to the excited shrieks of their adopted children. The relentless daily routine starts with a bath.
So beautiful.
All bonobos have the same distinctive hairstyle, with a center part. Unlike chimps, they also have pink lips, and their faces are black.
Oh, yeah.
Milk is vital to these babies. In the wild, they are suckled until they are 4 years old.
See?
So cute.
The orphans at Lola need round-the-clock
What did you think?
for months or even
So
years.
It's worth every cent. That's what it's about. Thomas!